I just realised how weird this is going to get. Hello there, lads and lassies, it's Halloween! Yeah, sort of. Is it today? Possibly, I think so. Anyway, yes, unless you're watching it another day, in which case it's not. But it is now. Anyway, so we got some more PoundLand Halloween funky goodies. By funky I mean stinky and horrible. But yes, we got some anyway. But the first thing we're going to show you guys is a couple of masks. The first being my personal favourite, and I think yours as well, Sherry?
Yep.
Okay, and I'm just going to put this on. There we go. And you can also tell how much I need to shave this part of my beard off. Because it'll make me look like a fat person. But I'm not. A little bit. It's a cool mask though, and for £1 it's not bad quality, although it smells horribly of paint. I'm wearing a gas mask that makes me want to pass out. Are gas masks meant to do the opposite thing? I don't know. I think so. Can I get high from this? I don't know. Anyway, moving on. The next mask, I'm putting my glasses back on, can't even remember where I put them. Is this lovely fellow here. It's Jimmy the Joker with his plastic face. This one I think is meant for someone for a different size head than me because my eyes are here. I can't see a thing. Also a lovely smell of turpentine in this one. I don't think I would ever give these to children, to be honest, because I think it's a possibility of some sort of toxic trauma going on. Let's actually have a look at what it says here. Where are my glasses going? Icons of horror mask. Do not wash. Wipe clean only. Not suitable for children under 36 months. Choking due to small parts. Made in Birmingham. Okay. Icons of horror. What does the other one say? Is that icons of horror as well? No, it says chilling horror mask. It's only got mascara on it. I don't know. And moving on. Next thing we have, and there's two things I want to leave till last. The next thing we have is an inflatable chainsaw. And I'm quite looking forward to this. The horror inflatable chainsaw. Warning, plastic can be dangerous. To avoid danger of suffocation, please keep this bag away from babies and children. Because as everyone knows, only babies and children want to kill you. Okay, so keep the bag away from them and you won't suffocate. Nothing to do with them suffocate, this is you, personally. Because you know those kids are evil. They will destroy you in your sleep. Bye bye bye. Actually it looks like the eye from Jake from Adventure Time. Which is kind of weird, like, oh, I'm turning into Jake. But yeah, okay. Well, isn't this lovely? I'm gonna, yeah. Oh god, it smells like swimming pools. I just realised how weird this is gonna get. And that's why you never need Viagra. Don't hiss at me. But you know something? I don't know. Let's hold it. It doesn't matter how you hold it. It looks like a ball bag handbag. I mean, can you look fearsome with an inflatable chainsaw? Let me try. There's my thumbnail anyway. But it's certainly firm. Use your imaginations, folks, because you know what I'm thinking. I just don't want to say it. Okay? Put this down for now. Second last item is this rather fabulous, actually. Where did that come from? Nice poison bottle. It's actually very, very cool, and it only costs £1. It's got a little trinket hanging from it, as well as of course the label. It just says poison glass bottles. It's fragile. This is a Halloween decoration, not a drinking bottle, so we can't use it to drink from, but as an ornamental bottle, I actually really like this. It's solid enough glass. You know, it would probably smash if you had it hard enough, but as an ornament, I can't fault it. I like it. PoundLand, I like something you made. Well, you didn't personally make it, who made it? Fright Night in Birmingham. So Fright Night in Birmingham, well done. You made something not rubbish. I'm impressed. So we're going to put that down. And finally, the best item of the whole bunch. This is the Evil Hairy Rat. I don't think it is a rat, to be honest. It looks more like a squirrel than a rat. I've never seen a rat with a tail like that. Rat tails don't look like that. Rat tails are hairless. This is a shaven squirrel with really bad teeth. Something has gone horribly wrong in this squirrel's life. It actually has eyes. My God. And what the hell is that? Yeah. But yeah, so here we go. Apparently, an evil, hairy rat that's not actually a rat. It looks nothing like a rat. It's zooming through there. I wonder if you could actually hook this onto something. I don't know. But this is awful. It's so bad. It's so bad. It's good. It's so tacky. It's good. I mean, look at the teeth. My God. I mean, what the? I don't. Ow. Oh, those are sharp. Sharp little claws. And the wrong amount as well. But yeah, so this is the Evil Hairy Rat from, also from Fright Night. Fright Night, the bottle. Then this? Then what happened? Did you have an off day? Or an off 364 days and then just one day went, oh my God, we're gonna make the best bottle ever. What should we do tomorrow? Squirrel rat? I mean, in and of itself, it's horrifying. I mean, it's like a gopher squirrel.
That's you.
I don't, I mean, I can clean my ears with that tail. It's very erect. No, I expected that to burst out, to be honest. Anyway, so that's it for Halloween, guys. I hope you have a lovely evening. Let me see some of your costumes and stuff. Just send it to @ScottishGeeks. Just tag me in your costume pictures and I'll check them out. Maybe I'll do a video on them. We'll see what happens if enough people do it. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you next time. Until then, bye-bye.